Hey guys, it's Juan here. I often get asked, what's your favorite protein powder? So that's a very subjective question. We all have different taste buds and flavor preferences. Um, and what I like to do when I'm comparing different proteins is try them head to head as a shake. That way, you're just trying the protein shake and you're not getting influenced by other ingredients in ice cream, for example, or whatever. The ones I use most for doing ice cream is either I have this milk chocolate, chocolate truffle from PE Science and Quest, chocolate milkshake. Those are the ones I use most of the time for creamies, just because prefer the whey casein blend. I also have this whey isolate fudge brownie from Dymatize. I don't use that often for creamies, just because I prefer again the whey casein. So I'll compare that. I also have just chocolate casein. So what I did for this one is a half fudge brownie and half casein, in case I wanted to try that as a Ninja Creami. I haven't done that with these flavors yet, but I do that often, like with vanilla, for instance. And then I got a sample of this PE Science frosted chocolate cupcake. So before I try them and you can see my reactions, I'm going to show you close up what they look like so you can see the colors. Okay, here's the frosted chocolate cupcake. Okay, it's kind of a light chocolate. This is the chocolate truffle, amazing chocolate truffle. PE Science also, it looks a little bit darker. This is the Quest chocolate here. It's quite a bit darker than the chocolate truffle. And then here's the fudge brownie from Dymatize, the isolate. It's not as dark as the Quest. It looks similar to the chocolate truffle. And then here's the fudge brownie mixed with casein. About the same color. Okay, so here it goes. All I did was mix them with almond milk. These are all like quarter portions. 2 ounces of milk, about 8 grams of total protein in these, except this one because it comes in a half size container. So I used half a cup of milk for this one. So let me try this one first. This is the chocolate cupcake, frosted chocolate cupcake from PE Science. It's pretty good. It's sweet. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like a sweet, light chocolate, not too chocolatey. Sweet for sure. I guess that makes sense if chocolate cupcake. So this is the chocolate truffle. Let's see. So this tastes kind of like a, just like a chocolate, I guess. Light. It's kind of light. It's not very rich. Like a milk chocolate. Let me compare again to this. Ooh, I think this one's like way too sweet. I don't know. And I like sweet stuff, but that's almost too sweet. I guess that's where they're going with the frosting, I guess, but yeah. So far I like this one better. So now we're going to Quest. One more, let me take a sip of this. Okay. This one definitely tastes like a richer chocolate. Which makes sense because it's darker. So this one is like more milk chocolate. This is like a darker chocolate. Kind of like if you were to compare the Hershey's cocoa powder plain versus the special dark, that type of difference. So far, because I like darker chocolate for cocoa. I think I like this one better. Yeah, I like this one better. Now let's try the fudge brownie. This also seems a little bit sweeter too. Let me try one more time. But not as sweet as that frosted cupcake. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. So here's the fudge brownie. That's pretty good. It's sweeter. And it's much thinner again because it's a whey isolate. I don't know if you can kind of tell. I'm like swirling it around. This doesn't swirl. This is more liquidy, more fluid. It's sweeter. I think I like this one's flavor a little bit better than this one. It's sweeter, and it's also kind of has that darker chocolate taste that I like. But I like the consistency of this one better for a protein ice cream. So this one's just, I don't know. I just prefer it thicker again. I know I keep saying that. So now this is basically half of the fudge brownie and half casein. This casein is from bodybuilding.com. Chocolate Milkshake. It's really good. I like casein. I've tried Dymatize casein before. That's what I used to use. This to me tastes just like it, and it's much cheaper. So let's see what this tastes like. That's pretty good. Let's compare it to this. So it's not as sweet as this. So this must be less sweet. It's taken away some of the sweetness, but so I'm gonna so still flavor-wise, this one's the best. But consistency-wise for ice cream, this is the best. Now let me try to compare this one to this one. Flavor, because it's the same consistency. Okay, I think I like this one the best for flavor. For the whey casings, comparing this one, this one, this one, or these two combined, I like the flavor of this one the best. Interesting, I haven't done a creamy that way, so I'm definitely gonna do one. Yeah, maybe I'll just go with this combo from now on. It kind of sucks though, you have to buy two separate proteins, but anyways. Yeah, so this one's my favorite flavor and consistency. I'll have to try it out in a creamy. This one I love in a creamy, I know that for sure, so I'm curious to see how these two mixed in a creamy will be. I'm sure it'll be good. And then I like this one in a creamy too, but I just like this one much better again because it's darker. And I actually, yeah, this one is my least favorite, so. All right, thanks, hope this helps.